Good morning friends. As you know, I have taken 100 video challenge and today is the first video of that challenge. So today we are going to practice most important words which plays very important role in, but we all have question in our mind. Can we speak English by learning this type of words? In my opinion, the answer is yes, but you have to follow simple rules. So I will talk about this rule in the end of this video. So watch the video till the end. So let's practice. So first word is patience. What is the meaning of patience? The meaning of patience, that means strong or powerful emotion. We can say in Hindi this is the meaning of this is junoon. The meaning of this word in Hindi is junoon. So let's make sentences. To achieve the desired goal, you you must have the patience. That means अगर आपको अपना कुछ इच्छित लक्ष्य को प्राप्त करना है, डिजायर गोल को प्राप्त करना है, तो आपको आपके अंदर पेशेंस होना चाहिए. द पर्सन who don't have the patience, that person cannot achieve the desired goal. So next word is target. What is the meaning of target? We can say the meaning of target is patience to achieve something, and we can say in Hindi the meaning of target in Hindi is lakshya. So let's make sentences by this word. First one is achieve your target. Second, your target is very simple. Everyone can achieve this. Third word is expensive. What is the meaning of expensive? Expensive, that means it is out of range of your expenditure. We can say it is more expenditure and it is very costly. So let's make sentences. I bought a purse that was very expensive. You know which mobile have you purchased that is very expensive mobile. So next word is find out. What is the meaning of find out? Find out, that means we can say search, discover, and it is also used for investigation, inquiries. Suppose you lost the mobile of your friend and your friend said to him, find out of my mobile quickly. Where did you lost this? As I said that time, the word find out is used for inquiry. So let's make sentences about inquiry. Suppose someone complained about you in police station. Then police has come in your home and said, search the important documents in in this house. So we can say this is the usage of find out, that means search, inquiries. Fifth word is approve. What is the meaning of approve? We can say approve, that means permission, confirmation. I think you have seen this when you fill up the form e-kalyan, that means a scholarship form. Then if that form has passed from AA officer, then a scholarships, the money of a scholarships has transferred into bank account. So we can say our scholarship has approved by AA officer. In my opinion, we should to try to learn the words by this process, by making sentences. So that's all in this video. We will meet again in next video. But don't worry, I will try to discuss more words in next video. So that's all in this video. We will meet again in next video. So thank you everyone. Please share this video in your friends